Hello guys, what's up? We are going to service the brake pad and we will turn it to the brake pad mode. So it's maintenance mode for the Chevrolet Malibu Tahoe, Chevrolet Malibu 2021. So you will switch on, hit the switch on for 5 seconds and then press the brake pedal and release the foot brake, electronic foot brake. So wait for the flashing. They will flash the parking brake light. And then remove the brake pedal and remove the brake and the parking brake and press again and switch it off. Okay, after that the parking brakes is blinking or flashing, so you can make brake pads where electronic. And if you want to release this one to remove the brake modes, brake maintenance mode, you will reverse it. Turn off the ignition, turn it on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the switch is on, and you need to on the foot brake electronic and press the brake pedal and then wait for the flashing disable of the parking brake. Now it's working well, so the foot brake is on and the foot brake is when you release the foot brake assembly, parking brake, sorry. It will the gun, and then if you on the parking brake, okay, nice job. Okay, good.